Hello boys, this video is in continuation with the previous video about subject-verb agreement. Now few more rules we'll discuss in this video. The next rule is, if a plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money represents a single figure or quantity, it should be followed by a singular verb. Now with example, try to understand. 15 kilometers is a short distance. Now we have used, this is 15 kilometers, but what I have told you earlier, if a plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money represents a single figure, this 15 kilometers represent here as one figure, single figure, then it will be followed by a singular verb. Now verb in singular number. So we have used here 15 kilometers is a short distance. Again, the next example, she paid him a 5 rupee note. The amount is 5 rupee, but it is in singular number, so we have used a here to denote it as singular number, and then the verb form is here in singular verb form, the tense form, and that is she paid him a 5 rupee note. Now next rule, the name of a book, okay, a book or a movie, house or hotel, even if in plural form, if the name you think that it is in plural form of these, of a book, of a movie, of a house or hotel is in plural form, it is treated as singular number. Okay, mind it. Now example, Gulliver's Travels. What is the, this is the name of a book, Gulliver's Travels, but we will put here which verb form we will use here with this subject, singular verb form. Gulliver's Travels is an interesting book. Next example, the Pearl Harbor is a nice movie. Pearl Harbor is a movie, name of a movie, so it is in plural, the Pearl Harbor, but we have used the verb form in singular number. The Pearl Harbor is a nice movie. The Yellow Tree is a beautiful hotel. The yellow tree, because three words are there, but it represents a singular thing, a singular name of a one hotel only. So the Yellow Tree is a beautiful hotel. Now next point, collective nouns take verbs in singular number, but when the individuals are taken separately, verbs can be in plural. Okay, collective nouns. Now see the example of collective. A herd. Herd means group of animals, cattle. Okay, a herd of cattle. It is a collective noun. Herd, this word. And when it is collective means one group, it is denoting one group, so we will use verb in singular number. The subject will agree with singular number verb. So a herd of cattle is grazing. The class, what is class? A collective noun. Many students make a class, so it is collective noun. The class is sitting quietly. The jury, many judges, they form a group that is known in collective noun as jury. The jury members have, I have told you here the example, verbs but when the individuals are taken separately, how jury is there but members, this is plural. All the members we are counting separately, so we have put here the jury, this is collective noun word, but members means many in number, the jury members, so we have used verb form in plural number, have. So the jury members have different opinions. Okay, in this way we learn how to do subject verb agreement. Now next rule, nouns such as clothing, food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery, footwear, bread, dust are singular and the verb used for these should be in singular. Always use these words, these subjects you take as singular number. You never say that foods or furnitures, that is wrong English, and just take it as singular number. Food, furniture, crockery, clothing, stationery, footwear, bread, dust, they are singular, and the verb used for these should be in singular. Now example, the furniture has, we have not used here have. The furniture has been damaged. The furniture could be in plural, so many furniture could be there, but we use it in, always in English we use it in singular form. So many chairs, many tables could be there, we can call it furniture, but we use it as, when we use the word furniture, we take its singular form, the furniture, and then we put the verb form in singular number. The furniture has been damaged. Next example, the clothing has to be washed. Okay. Food is, we have not used here are. Food could be many items, many dishes, but here it is in singular form. The word is in singular form, food. So we have used singular verb also. Food is essential for health. Understood? Now next, a few more points. The next rule is the nouns in plural form but singular in meaning. When nouns are in plural form but they represent the meaning in singular, but singular in meaning, take the verb in singular. Now see, the news is not true. News, we think that this form, due to this s, it is a plural form, but we take it as singular, and we put verb here which agrees with this in singular number. So the news is not true. Economics, s is there, but we take it as one subject, so economics is an interesting subject. Mathematics has its own formulas to be followed. Okay. Now next and final rule, phrases like a lot of, plenty of, most of, some of are always used as singular when they refer to the amount or quantity, but they take plural verb when they refer to number. Mind it, when we talk about amount or quantity, we take it as singular number. But when number, why? Because it is uncountable. And when we talk about these words, then take plural verb when they refer to number. Why? Because number are countable. Okay. So the example is here, a lot of work. What is work? Here work represents the quantity of work, so it is uncountable. So which verb we will put? Verb form in singular number we will put here. A lot of work has shows singular number, has to be done. Okay. Now see, a lot of boys. Now boys is plural here, and it comes in the category of number, and it is countable. So a lot of boys like these chocolates. We have put here like because it is plural, and so we have put the verb form is in plural. Okay, these chocolates. Now next example, some of the girls, again it is countable. Some of the girls, and it is in plural, so we have put the verb are here because it agrees with this in verb in plural number. Some of the girls are absent. So my dear children, this is the second part of the video for you to teach you the subject verb agreement. I am sure you people must have understood it nicely. You just listen and watch the video, the first part as well as the second part. It will give you a complete information and understanding of which topic? Of the topic subject verb agreement. Okay, subject verb concord or subject verb agreement. Thank you. God bless you.